So my fans, let's quickly name this organic compound using our UPAC. Now, the first thing you do is we label from left to right and also label from right to left. If I'm labeling from left to right, I will notice that if I start here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'll be making a very great mistake. Reason because there is an extra carbon on top of this carbon that is here that makes it a longer straight carbon chain. Hence, my numbering is invalid. So I'll number here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I will also label it oppositively. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Automatically, I know that I have an hexane parent name. So what I do next is I look at my double bond. Double bond is giving the lower number. If I look at it well, it falls between number 2 and number 3, reading with the blue print. So I'll give it number 2. That means that I'm going to be reading the blue print, which means if I read the blueprint, I have unnamed carbon as 1, 2, and unnamed halogens of fluorine as those ones. So if I want to name this, I will name it as, because this first chlorine falls on number 2, and of course alphabetical order says you give C chlorine. You name C before we name M. We name chlorine before we name the methyl. So we have the chlorines to be 2, 3, and because there are 2, we call it dichloro. Then we go straight to the methyl. We also have 2 methyl that are numbered, and those ones also fall on number 4. So I will call it 4,4 dimethyl. Of course, since it's an hexene and the double bond falls on number 2, so I'll call it X2 in. Thank you.